Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Instagram username for WhatsApp. So firstly, you need to open your WhatsApp on your iPhone and also make sure that you have updated your WhatsApp. You can go to your App Store firstly and find the WhatsApp, and if there's any update icon available, you need to tap onto this update, and next you need to open your WhatsApp. And from here you need to select your profile icon in the bottom right, and over here what you need to do is you need to select this account. And over here under this account, you'll find this icon for the username as it is not available in this region. And now you can enter the same username you use on your Instagram. And if that username is available and meets WhatsApp requirement, you'll see a confirmation that you can use it. If it's already taken, you'll need to make a small change such as adding numbers or underscore until you find an available version. And once you have chosen an available username, you can select save or done to confirm your changes. And that is it. That's how you can use your Instagram username for WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.